Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to game share on Xbox using Xbox Series S, but this works for Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and so on. So yeah, let's hop right into it. If you find this useful, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out future content coming in the future. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here's how you do it. I'm going to keep this very straightforward. Essentially, when you think about my home Xbox and game sharing. Oops, don't want to go here. Essentially, what this is used for is allowing you to, the main purpose Xbox had was like allowing you and other people in your home to sort of share your games and share your Xbox Live account or subscription with other Xboxes in the same house. So you don't have to buy all that stuff over and over again. So like people would do this with siblings. They'd share their home Xbox with other people in their house and it would just work. But you can also do this and you don't have to be located in the same area. You could be living far away and it would still work. So that's essentially the background about why people actually do this and Xbox's intention with this feature. So what you want to do is, like, once you have a person you actually want to game share with and they want to game share with you, it has to go both ways. They have to make your Xbox their home Xbox and your home Xbox their home Xbox. So essentially what you want to do is like have access to their account, get consent from them. And so how to actually do that is like, say, like you would go to my profile and like actually switch accounts. I don't have another account with me right now that I'd game share with, but like, let's just assume that I had another account here. I would have their email, I would have their password, they would send that to me and I'd be able to sign into their account. And then I'd go here and I'd click sign in. So let's assume I'm signed into their account now. I would go to settings over here, and then I would go to general, and then personalization. And then from there, you want to go to my home Xbox. And it's just going to load real quick. And as you can see, this is already checked because, this is my this is my Xbox. Therefore, it should make sense that this is my home Xbox. But this is going to be unchecked for you once you're signed into your buddy's account. So you just want to click that. If you have any more questions about how this actually works, definitely click the Learn More section. It'll briefly just explain, kind of the background I was sort of giving you. Share games, downloadable content, Microsoft Store, and then Xbox Game Pass, as well as like other subscriptions like Xbox Live, some stuff like that. And the number of switches. So I can switch 4 more times since I believe I've only done this once. Yeah, I still have 4 out of 5 switches left. So definitely just keep track of how many times you do this and how many people you want to game share with. So you did this for yourself. You made their home Xbox your home Xbox once you're signed into their account. And your buddy would do the exact same thing, just with the reverse. You give them your email, login, password, they log into your account, they click this box, boom, now they have access to your stuff. Just keep in mind, like this has all shareable digital content, so that's, subscription services like Game Pass and Xbox Live, and also digital games as well. So like if you have a disc, technically that won't actually work for game sharing. It needs to be a digital copy linked to your account. It can't be transferred. The data can't be on a disk and then saved to your hard drive. It needs to be a digital copy, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then from there, you sign back into your account once you've done that. And you can go to like My Games and Apps, see all. Right now I just have Rocket League on my console because I haven't downloaded anything, but you go to like full library, and then now it's going to show you like all the other games that you can potentially download because you're game sharing and game sharing with your buddy. So all their digital games will show up here. And then you can just click install, and then you'll have full access, and then all the game's content, all your achievements are going to be linked to your account. You don't have to worry about having anything saved to their account. That's not how this works. So that's essentially it, guys. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to answer them. This process, I've made videos on this before, but the process is, substantially the same or all around the same. So yeah, don't abuse the system. Definitely get the consent of someone if you're doing this, and you should be good to go. The great way to save money on both subscription services as well as just digital games if you want to play with each other and you don't have the money to do so. So if you guys found this useful, definitely hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, so I can help more people, around the globe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.